Greetings and welcome back to this channel. Today I'm sharing a super easy, simple and comforting corn and rice soup made with just 3 basic ingredients. It's creamy, delicious and perfect when you want a warm homemade meal without spending hours in the kitchen. So let's get started. So what we need for our soup is some rice, some cooked white rice. I have some corn. I usually clean them up, wash them, and then put them in this reusable zipper bag and then store them in the freezer. And whenever I need corn for my recipes, I just grab the quantity I need and then put the rest back in the freezer. Salt and the meat broth that's cooking right now. I'm going to put some ghee, melt it, and then add the rest of the ingredients. Our ghee is melted, so I'm going to put my rice, some of my corn. You don't have to wash it again to thaw it. It's going to melt once we add our meat broth. Now add some meat broth. Add some salt. Mix them up. And then cook everything on medium heat. Even though everything is already, our rice is cooked and our corn is soft, but we want them to cook together to have both flavors, plus the meat broth, which will add a lot of flavor to this. Our rice and corn are ready. We're going to blend them. And while you're watching, please remember to like and subscribe for more easy, healthy recipes. If it's too thick, you can add a little more meat broth or just hot water. I'm going to add a little bit. Blend it a bit more. And that's it. Our rice and corn soup is ready. It's very creamy and smooth. Let's put some in our serving bowl. And like I said, if it's too thick for you, just add more meat broth or hot water. I'm going to add a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil from back home, Algeria. You can also add a drizzle of apple cider vinegar to help with digestion. Let's try it. So delicious, so creamy and smooth, and healthy, and from the permitted foods. We have rice, we have corn, we have cow ghee, we have some salt, some meat broth, some olive oil. And here we have it, a delicious, creamy, smooth, very simple soup in no time. Remember to like, subscribe, turn your notifications on so you don't miss any of my simple healthy recipes. See you in the next video.